The Movo iVlog UC is an expansive and intuitive package that will take your smartphone videos to a whole new level. But to make sure you're getting the full potential from the kit, we're gonna share some of the ins and outs of getting it set up so you can get out there and start creating. Using the 1/4-inch thread, fasten your mount to the tripod. We suggest that you place your phone in the holder after you've secured the mount to the tripod or grip. Once your phone is in the bracket, you can lock it in place using the tightening nut on the back. Now that you know how to secure your phone in the bracket, you can attach it to either the mini tripod or the hand grip. We're gonna attach ours to the tripod, but you can follow the same steps if you choose to mount your phone to the hand grip. Now that you have your phone mounted and secured, you can start setting up your audio. The UC is designed to connect to your Android's USB Type-C connector. To attach the receiver, all you have to do is plug it in. It should come on as soon as you plug it into your phone. Once your receiver is plugged in, you can turn on your transmitters. If you're filming a vlog, a live stream, or even a tutorial video like this one, you can use just one transmitter, but the process will be the same for each. With the transmitter on, you should see a blinking light to indicate that it's in pairing mode. To pair, simply hold down the pairing button on the side and the light should turn a solid blue. Attach the lavalier microphone to your lapel and clip the transmitter to your waist belt, and you're ready to start recording crisp audio anywhere. Now that your rig is set up and your audio is ready, it's time to accessorize. The iVlog kit comes with an LED light that'll brighten up any scene. Attaching it is a smooth and simple process. Take the cold shoe mount on the LED light and slide it into the cold shoe bracket. With the light firmly in place, screw the LED on tight using the tightening wheel. If you're recording an interview, a dialogue scene, or any other video featuring 2 speakers, you may want to try out the Edge UC Duo. This dual lavalier system is set up exactly like the standalone version we just covered, except it has a second transmitter and microphone combo paired to the receiver. Now that your iVlog UC is fully assembled, you're ready to get out there and start creating. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos and other fun content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our latest content so you can stay in the loop with what's new at Movo. I'm Sierra, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.